In this video, I will show you how to insert pie chart in Microsoft Excel. So guys, you need a pie chart for your data. So very simple and easy way you can create a chart 2D or 3D or simple. So firstly, select your data, then insert, and here is the option for chart. This is the 2D chart, select, or this one is the 3D, just select it. If you see it's a big size, so make it and adjust the size. Drag and drop and keep anywhere in your document. You can adjust the size and you can change data. You can change style. So double click on it. Here you can hide or show some elements. Here you can add a name for this graph. You can change color, change layout. So this is the way guys you can insert the chart in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.